Okay, angles and bearings higher, part 2. I'm going to flick through the drawing ones. They need to be done another day. I'm going to have a look at this question here. It says the bearing of Q from P is 0.98 degrees. Show this on the diagram. Always remember it is from P. So from P means it's from P here. And it's going from north clockwise. So here, this is 0.98 degrees. It says, which calculation works out the bearing of P from Q? Well, if I was to find the co-interior angle here, or the allied angle, these two add up to 180. So 180 take 98 equals 82 degrees. So that would be 82 degrees. And I want to find all of this bearing round here, which is 360 take 82, which is actually this one. So I could use the fact that allied angles add up to 180 degrees. So 180 take 98 equals 82, and then what I've got is 360 take 82 equals 278. I personally don't like that method. I like to use the fact that the difference between the two angles is actually 180. If I looked at corresponding angles here, this would be 0.98, this would be 180 on the bottom. So I would do 180 plus 98, which is 278. Anyway, next question. We have got the bearing of R from P is 0.72 and the distance PR is 300 meters. Once again, we're from P. The bearing of R from P, so it's from north. So north would be here. And that is 0.72 or 72 degrees. And PR is the line PR, which is 300 meters here. And so I've shown that on the diagram. It says calculate the distance QR. I would call it X. And because I've got a right angle triangle and an angle, I've got a SOHCAHTOA question. So if I write SOHCAHTOA quickly, if I labelled the diagram from the angle, this is the hypotenuse and X is the opposite. So SO is opposite and sine. So if I was to do SOH, that's what SO means. Cross out the O because I'm trying to find the X. And that tells me that O equals S times H. Substitute, O is X, S stands for sine of 72. Remember to close the brackets, and H is 300. So all I need is a calculator now, and I think I've got my calculator set up. So I've got sine 72, close brackets, remember that, times by 300 equals, I've got 285.3, 285.3, 285.3 meters. It doesn't ask for anything else. That's great.